Are you looking to automate lead nurturing on Apollo.io? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to do just that, helping you save time while keeping your leads engaged and moving through your sales pipeline. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a seamless automated lead nurturing process that will have you converting faster than ever before. Apollo.io is a powerful tool for lead generation and sales automation, and today we're diving into how to use it to nurture your leads efficiently. You can start using Apollo.io for free with an exclusive bonus I've got for you. Check out the first link below for that. Let's dive right in. To start automating lead nurturing on Apollo.io, first you'll want to set up your lead lists. Make sure your target audience is well defined, which is something Apollo.io does exceptionally well. Using filters like job title, company size, and location, you can create a hyper-targeted lead list. The more precise your list, the more effective your automation will be. Once your list is in place, it's time to move on to the email automation features. Apollo.io offers robust sequences, which are essentially automated email drip campaigns that send personalized messages to your leads over time. You can create a sequence that starts with an introductory email and follows up with nurturing emails at set intervals. Now, here's where the magic happens. Apollo.io allows you to segment your leads into different stages of the funnel, whether they're new, engaged, or warm leads. You can set up different email sequences for each stage, ensuring your message is relevant to where they are in their buyer's journey. For example, a new lead might receive a welcoming email, while a warm lead gets more specific content related to their needs. Automation goes beyond email. Apollo.io lets you set up triggers based on actions that your leads take, such as opening an email, clicking a link, or visiting a page. This is where the real power of automation shines. When a lead interacts with your emails or website, Apollo.io can automatically move them to the next stage of your sequence, or even notify your team that it's time to step in personally. This kind of behavioral-based automation allows for more personalized communication without requiring manual intervention. Another feature that is absolutely crucial in automating lead nurturing is Apollo's Analytics dashboard. You can track how well your emails are performing, which leads are engaging, and which sequences need tweaking. By analyzing the performance of your campaigns, you'll be able to continuously optimize and improve your nurturing process. Don't forget, Apollo.io also integrates with CRM tools like Salesforce, so you can push all your leads and data seamlessly into your CRM and have a unified view of your sales pipeline. With integrations like this, the nurturing process doesn't end in Apollo. Your team has access to all the data they need to close deals faster. So, how does this all fit into the bigger picture of lead nurturing? Well, by using Apollo.io's automation features, you ensure that every lead receives the right message at the right time, and you're able to stay top of mind without lifting a finger. This approach saves time, increases conversion rates, and helps you build a strong long-term relationship with your leads. If you've been wondering how to automate lead nurturing on Apollo.io, I hope this guide has cleared things up for you. Remember, you can start using Apollo.io today for free and get exclusive access to bonuses through the link below. Now, go ahead and set up your lead nurturing automation. Your future self will thank you. And if you haven't yet, be sure to check out that link for the extended free trial. Happy automating.